Okay, today I have to continue my series on the stuff, and I was gonna do one video to sum stuff up, but I have to do a few more things, so bear with me. Today we're gonna talk about machine guns. Now when I say machine gun, I do not mean a black colored rifle that looks scary. I mean a real machine gun. Now, there are several types of gun. There's a gun that is handheld like a rifle and it fires handgun ammunition. If it fires full automatic, it's called a sub gun. Rifle, pistol ammunition. This kind, 40 caliber or 45 or 9mm. There's also the submachine gun. The submachine gun is a small gun that fires pistol ammo fully automatic. For instance, the Tommy gun from the gangster movies, that fires full automatic. They have a semi-automatic version for civilian sales today. Now, they also have assault rifles, real assault rifles. An assault rifle is a rifle that fires rifle ammunition, and it can fire either full automatic or semi-automatic. Okay? When you see the soldiers on television, that's full automatic. When you see a person at a shooting range, that's semi-automatic. And then there are the regular machine guns, which are giant guns that fire many bullets at a time. For the purpose of this video, we're going to say machine gun for all the guns, rather than say sub gun, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to say machine gun throughout. Now, in 1994, the United States government initiated the Federal Weapons Accessory Ban, and they called it the Assault Weapons Ban. I made videos about that already. The Weapons Accessories Ban outlawed certain cosmetic features that are basically harmless, collapsible butt stocks and stuff like that. The Weapons Accessory Ban went from September 13th, 1994 to September 13th, 2004, and it expired exactly 10 years to the minute later. I lost my train of thought. Now, the weapons and even though the weapons accessory ban expired on the federal level, several states still practice it. Okay? Now, in 1986, we had the real assault weapons ban. The real assault weapons ban actually banned fully automatic weapons, machine guns. And the real assault weapons ban is still in effect on the federal level. It has not been altered or abolished. Now, the machine gun, in order to legally own a machine gun, first and foremost, the machine gun must be made before May 19th, 1986. That was the magic day in the machine gun world. Okay? First and foremost, several states do not allow sale of machine guns, period. No question. The other states that do allow machine guns to be sold, bought and traded, still to this day have to follow the federal guidelines. I found this last night. It was revised on January 12th, 2009. It is a report on how to buy a machine gun legally in the United States. You'll think it's a report on how to apply for a job with the CIA. In order for you to buy a machine gun legally in the United States, you must find someone that has a machine gun that was made before May 19th, 1986. No question. You must ask the person if they wish to sell it. You must agree on a price. The price is not going to be $200. Because the machine gun is well built, it's going to be more money. Because the machine gun is heavily regulated, it's going to be more money. If you want a cheap machine gun, it's going to cost you minimum $10,000. And that's if you can find it. Now, when you find the machine gun, you have to go to a federal firearms dealer that is registered, I think, Class 3. Okay? He has to be a special dealer to do this. The special dealer will do your paperwork for you. You will go to him and say, listen, he has a machine gun, I want to buy it. The dealer will help you process your application. The application that I'm seeing in this thing is very, very extensive. The application is this thick. You have to answer every single question in the world. Drugs, alcohol, sexual assault, felony, domestic violence, terrorism, treason. You are a U.S. citizen, you're 21, you never attempted suicide. You have to answer every single solitary personal question that you can possibly think of, period. Once you've answered those extensive questions, the gun dealer has to do a background investigation on the both of you to make sure that you're both law-abiding citizens. Okay? All machine guns are registered with the ATF itself. Yes. So the ATF, and I imagine a couple of other federal departments, will be notified you are buying a machine gun. In addition to that, the state police, the county police, the city police, the mayor's office, every single person in your jurisdiction has a right to know whether or not you're buying a machine gun. In addition to that, several states have the right to ask you to have a special license before you buy it. In addition to that, the Constitution does not say machine gun. The Supreme Court upheld handgun. Rifle and shotgun is just common knowledge, but no one upheld the right to own a machine gun in this country. So the state can still say no. And once you've gone through all of that stuff, backgrounds, this, that, fill all that paperwork, then you get a machine gun. Now, where do you shoot the machine gun? My range does not allow you to shoot any Magnum ammunition, and it does not allow you to shoot any rifle that above pistol caliber. This. Okay, I can shoot a rifle that shoots this, but I can't shoot a rifle that shoots AR-15 ammunition, 5.56 NATO, because the wall is not strong enough and it will bounce off. So because of that, my range will not allow me to shoot a machine gun, even if I could buy one. Other ranges, whether they have strong walls or not, whether they're outdoors or not, can still say no to you. Because when you have a machine gun, everybody wants to see it, everybody wants to shoot it, everybody wants to take their picture standing next to it, because chances are excellent they've never seen one outside of the internet or television or a military base or a museum. Chances are excellent they've never seen that. So the range can say no. So you're going to have a machine gun and not be able to shoot it. In addition to that, machine guns eat bullets, bullets eat money. Okay, if you have a machine gun that shoots 50 rounds a second, how often are you going to shoot it? How often are you going to have to buy ammunition for it? The ammunition alone will bankrupt you. So, me personally, if I had an extra $10,000 laying around the house and I had no bills to pay, I'd put the money away. Maybe I'd buy a nice rifle with some ammunition, maybe a nice handgun with some ammunition, but I wouldn't do it. The only people that really buy machine guns are people that live in fanatically pro-gun states that don't mind having a machine gun. People that have a lot of patience to look for one. People that have a lot of patience to fill out all these forms. People that have money for the background investigation, which is going to be very extensive. So there are people that have a concept in their head where any American with $500 cash can walk into a gun shop, buy a machine gun, flash a fake ID, and walk out with it. I'm trying to dissolve that right now, okay? You're not going to have a machine gun. Most of the guys you see with actual machine guns in this world, their great-great-grandfather bought it in 1920 when it was still legal back then, nobody cared. Or I've heard some Vietnam veterans have trophy machine guns. I heard that on television. I heard Vietnam veterans took AK-47s from Viet Cong and they captured or killed, brought the fully automatic AK-47 back home, registered it with the federal government. I heard that. It's a rumor. I've never in my life talked to a Vietnam veteran that did it personally. So that's who has machine guns. Veterans from God knows how many years ago. Guys that bought machine guns in the catalog when it was still legal in the 1920s. And their great-great-grandkids that still have them in the family. I'm going to check my time. I can't go over 15 minutes. I'm at 10 minutes. I'm going to stop now and continue.